What's up, everybody? It's Brad from the Old Souls. We're all out here in the garage. Got the Del Sol home. Got it out of the mud. Thank God. But, yeah, I really got to clean it because there's a bunch of mud in it. That's another story, though. Still got the other Del Sol. Haven't got it to the scrapyard yet. It's raining today, so waiting on that. But basically, I have it in my garage here. Extra tail lights, all the seals, headlights, speakers, all the trim pieces. Owen's getting in the car. Tons of work here, but this vlog, I'm going to be getting the seats out of my Del Sol VTEC model, and I'm going to be getting one of them, just the seat covers and fabric, to a guy on Reddit who's going to make us a template so we can make some new seats if we want. So I've been talking to him for about a month now. I'm going to send him out one of these set of seats, and he's going to make that. So if we wanted to reskin our seats in any kind of new updated fabric, we would be able to, and we could do it ourselves. So I thought that's kind of cool, pretty unique. And we're going to see how that works and make those available for everybody. So let's get these seats out. Hey, we need to get the seats out of here. You got to move. Okay, thanks. So, yeah. Let's, the reason why I can remove these ones is because the ones in the blue one are like hella way nicer. Like almost mint. So those ones are going to go into here because these ones are really nasty and they weren't taken very good care of. So, hey, are you going to sweep for me? Yeah. All right, sweet. I got some help today. So, yeah, let's dig into these bad boys. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this bolt off, that bolt off. And there's two bolts back behind here that I need to get off, and we'll get these guys out. So, I seriously thought I lost my front license plate. I did it. Look at that. There it is. And we got a quarter front license plate. What is that supposed to be plugged into? That's weird. Huh. Something's supposed to be plugged in there, which is probably why something's not working on my car. Because there's a lot of things that aren't working on my car. Charlie went inside. But, yeah, not terrible. But I am going to replace this carpet. So, I'm going to rip that out as well. Alright, guys. So, this is the passenger seat. No rips, no nothing. Just needs to get cleaned up. Yeah, this is all just mud. The only problem is the fabric is like loose. I mean, you guys can kind of see it. It's like loose fabric, where the ones downstairs from the blue Del Sol are like really nice and snug. And I can't like pull any of this, but like, you guys see how this is like so loose? I don't know why that is. It's just weird. So yeah, I don't know. That's why I kind of don't want these. The green's okay. I don't love the green in them. The other ones are white. I'll show you guys. And I kind of like those ones a little, or they're gray. So kind of like those a little better. So, but for sure I'm going to keep this one because it's the nicer of the two. But, all right, so this one, this driver's seat has the factory. Hey, quit pounding. You don't need to do that. It's got the factory security system in it, so I got to unhook all that first before I can take this seat out of it. Which is interesting. That other one is probably not going to have that, so I'll have to remount it to the other seat probably, which is weird. Okay, let me hook this camera up. All right, guys, so I got them both out. Here's the driver's side. One right here, and you can see it's all ripped and nasty, and I just don't like it. So this is the one that we're going to send to the guy on Reddit. He just needs the shape. He doesn't need it to be in any good condition or anything. He just needed a set so he could make his set from and make us a template. One for me and one for you. Okay. Can you say hi? That's Owen. Yeah, so one bolt here, one bolt there, one bolt there. This is 16, 16, and 19. And man, that is some nasty stuff in there. All right. So the issue I'm having with this one is this lever here is inside this plastic piece. I don't know how to get it out. So you can get the socket down in there, so I'm going to try and do that first and then just remove the whole thing rather than trying to get this out first. I don't know, because I don't know how to get that out. So there's a bolt right here that I can't get to because I can't get this plastic piece off because this is in the way. Okay, so the bolt isn't right here. It's hidden underneath there. So you can get these out. That's good. So I'm going to do that now. So once you unzip these and you pull this back, there's your last bolt right there. So you have to do all this stuff just to get that last bracket out, which is a ton of work. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go look it up on the internet if anybody's removed the headrest, and I'll see. All right, so someone on the internet said there's some clips holding this headrest in. So I gotta find those clips and then remove them, and then it should slide out. But I just gotta find those clips first. But it's hard to do because I have the seat covers on still. Okay, I'll show you guys after I get these out what those clips are, but there are definitely clips in there. Okay, so there's these little tiny clips. I'll show you. So if it's not in focus, but that's what you got to get out to get the headrest out. Okay, there it is, the headrest. It's pretty crazy, huh? And there is that. I don't know if you can wear that as a hat if you want. Perfect. Okay, on to the next piece, and then we're almost done. So there's that piece. See, it's screwed in right there. So we'll save that one. And we will get the remainder of this guy off. And there we go. There's the bottom portion of that seat. All right, everybody, great success. Maybe an hour and a half, but got them all out. There's the inner foam, the headrest foam, the seat pan with the Honda security system, the lower seat, upper seat, and headrest fabric covers. Here are those little the little latch pins for the headrest. That's how you get that guy off. And got her done, guys. Huge shout out to _legs in the air on Reddit. That's the guy that's going to get these fabric templates made, and we'll go from there. Hopefully I don't ship these off and I never see them again, and we don't see any templates. So I think the guy's pretty cool. I've been messaging him. Gotta have faith in humanity, and we'll see where we go from there. Want to thank everybody for watching the video. Different kind of vlog, but huge shout out to that guy. This has been maybe 6 months in the making that we've been chatting about this. Just didn't have any kind of opportunity to get these seats out, but I got them out, got them taken apart, got the seat rails now, have an extra set of those, and eventually, let me move my light back over here. Here's my Del Sol. Got to rip the carpet out, and you see how I have the sound dampening over there. That's going to go in the whole inside of this car before we can get the new carpet back in and the new seats back in. So that's what we're going to do next. So yeah, pretty awesome. And God, I hope that's not on camera the whole time, but whatever. It's fine. Okay. I guess, I don't know. That's all I got for today. Next couple vlogs are probably just going to be sanding vlogs, because I got to get this guy sanded and ready to go. I keep doing other projects, and I keep working on other things, but I just need to get the car painted. So that's what I need to do. So I'll be focusing on the inside, on the outside, and then I'll focus on the inside. But yeah, slowly but surely, guys, we're getting there. Check the OldSols forum. These photos will be up there. Check out oldsols.com. We're moving away from Facebook. And yeah, Instagram is hopping all the time. But all right, guys, have a wonderful weekend. Peace.